What's up?
Uptown Swing, level 1.
Peter.
Maddie.
Hey, so we're going to show you what we did. Let's turn around real quick. Just the basic footwork. I start left, I'm a leader.
I start right, I'm a follower.
For the real simple version, we go rock, step, slow, slow. You can think quick, quick, slow, slow. You can think rock, step, slow, slow. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put that on repeat. Then we did our little scooting triple step practice. So if you remember, we did that circle. We just kind of scooted one way, and then we scooted the other way. Everyone actually knew how to scoot already, so we got to turn that scoot into a triple step. It's the same thing, just a little smaller. We keep that rhythm in place. So where we once had slows, now we're going to have triple steps. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. That is your practice more than anything else. If you are at work and you say, I'm going to get some lunch, you're going to stand up, and you're going to get a pang of guilt, and you're going to go, I should do that, and just do that once or twice this week. It'll make life so much easier when you come back just to get that practice under your belt. So, we then tried a couple turns. We tried the tuck turn and the inside turn. It goes open, close, send your right leaders. We change places, then maybe dance here. We don't run by hook, but we hang out here for a second. Main things is leader, you have to move this person. You have our permission, and I think most of the followers' permission to move the followers a bit more. In general, there's a little wispy. You can just go for it a bit more. I don't think we got too rough this week.
Nope, the followers, we really want to take our time during those turns. Don't run through them, don't speed through them.
Yeah, turn a lot slower. It's way less turn than you think. So, if we do a couple basics. Cut.